command follow all. So the moment I send the command follow all, you can see several transactions are being sent here in real time. So you can see trace event, you can see transaction event also, you get. So let me cancel it. So this follow wallet is used to follow specific wallets, you get. Alright, let's talk about the wallet tracker. This is the wallet tracker, and the wallet tracker is basically used to track as the name implies, wallet, you get. So basically there are three things that we are tracking here, or we can track what happens in the main pool, we can track traces, and we can track the finalized transactions. So let's take a look at the implementation. So now this is where the transaction on API was implemented. Here the traces was implemented, and here the main pool. So we are tracking the main pool, we are tracking traces, and we are tracking the transactions, you get. So now also, if take a look at this global listeners, this tracks basically it tracks the blockchain for all finalized transactions. This particular one, that global traces, tracks the blockchain for all traces, and here the main pool, it tracks the blockchain for all the main pool. So now the distinguishing factor between this and the one we saw previously is this query here. So you can see here, after this question mark, you can see account is called all, you get. But now if you take a look at this, let's say stream wallet transaction, account is equal to a particular wallet address, you get. So basically this is used to track specific transactions, specific traces, specific main pool, you get, address in the main pool. So now why these ones are used to, is for global tracking, you get. But now there's an interesting thing. For us to be able to get this stuff in real time, it's not tracking unless it is done in real time, you get. So there's a protocol, SSE, that is server sent event. So now this stuff enables one-way communication from the server to the client without termination of that particular connection. So now the Ton API, on that streaming API, if you are to go into the Ton API, you want to go to Ton API, this is the route that you follow. So we go to, that is tonapi.io. You go to your documentation, then your streaming. In the streaming, there are different ways that we can stream data according to the Ton API. We can stream through SSE, we can stream through WebSockets, you get. But our interest here is what is the SSE, because that was what I implemented, you get. Therefore, it's made it's very easy for us to be able to get data in real time, you get. Very easy. Okay, so what we just need is just an endpoint, you guess. Then we are good to go. Then we implement some logic that will handle the server event protocol, you get. Okay, so basically this is the function that handles that is in Python, you get. Okay, so now let's go to our bot. So this is our bot. Okay, yeah, our token is gotten, our Redis connection is made. These are the commands that we can give. Follow is to track a specific wallet. Unfollow a wallet. Follow all tracks all wallets globally. You get. Unfollow all is stop tracking all. Then this is my wallet. This is your tracking list. This is this clear wallet. It clears all the wallets that you are tracking. So this is the follow logic. All right. Now let's take a look at the readme. Now the readme, I'll explain this architecture overview. Basically, how this bot work, or how this project work here is that the back end listens or communicates to the Return API through server events protocol, and gets and sends the data to a Redis database. Now this Telegram bot is listening to that Redis database. Any that's what they call publisher subscriber model. Any any data that gets populated in the Redis database, the Telegram bot, gets it and then displays it to the user. You get. So this is basically how the wallet tracker bot works. Let's take a look at the implementation. Let's clear everything. Alright, so now click help. Let's how we start first. Okay. Let me follow all. So the moment I send the command follow all, you can see several transactions are being sent here in real time. So you can see trace event, you can see transaction event also. You get. So let me cancel it. So this follow wallet is used to follow specific wallets. You get. Alright. You can see I'm not tracking any wallet right now. Since this tracks things, like it tracks wallet that is in the mainnet. Okay, it does not track wallet in the testnet. It's just in the mainnet.